What if we cleaned all the garbage from the streets of this city? Today, we're clearing away trash that's been piling up for years. Take a look at how much garbage had built up over time. Trash was scattered across every corner and every spot. Now let's see how we clean this entire area. Every step of the cleaning process will be shown at high speed. This dirty area is about to become usable again. Step by step, we remove all the trash and clear the way. If you liked this video, please like and leave a comment. Thanks for watching.